evening. Today I am talking about another database connecting library called Dapper. It's made by Stack Overflow, that means Stack Exchange. So the Stack Overflow websites also use Dapper for connection, create a transaction between database and the and the application. So this is the that GitHub URL. So that full open source library. So basically Dapper is the ORM system. That means that the traditional entities in the database directly convert to the domain classes via Dapper. So you can read that release note about Dapper. So why Dapper? I will tell you because why Dapper, because you can see there's a several methods: Poco, Peta Poco, link to SQL, entity frameworks. That is the performance. So for select queries over 500 iterations, so Dapper takes only 49 milliseconds, but entity frameworks just do um, 631 milliseconds. So but traditional with that SQL data reader take 47 milliseconds. So actually Dapper is the extended of the traditional one, that means SQL.data.SQL client actually. So this is because that why we can use the Dapper for best sprint. So this is the you can see you can take down that release note. So now I am do some examples about Dapper. So first of all, how to execute single update query, multiple update query, single select query, multiple select query, transaction, SP with out parameter, like that. I will talk about that examples. So I use that database called VMS, that's created by that previous video session when I explained the migration scripts, how to run migrations. So I use this database, and not too much tables. I use only brand and model table. So first of all, in Dapper is the extension. You can download as a nugget. So using Dapper we can write POSQL scripts as well as SPs. So I will install as a nugget. So this is seems class library, right? Okay, got it. So first of all, we create that connection library. So we create the connection. To do that, we include namespace system.data.SQL client. You can also see some.Dapper as well as using Dapper extensions. Now it is not needed. So I write some straightforward code in. I keep connection string in here, but normally it is I can got it in from web config file, but I take in here. Right. So this is my connection factory. So I can return I connection, also I connection. DB connection, IDB connection. Right. So secondly, this is not needed now. So sorry, this is needed. So secondly, this is my connection factory. So secondly, I implement the wrapper. So suppose I want to need create categories for the brand. So I use same project. So first method, I insert the new brand. So first of all, I want to create entities. So that means domains. So I use separate class library. So this is the entity for brand. Brand has two attributes. One is ID. This name must be same to this name. And another one is the name. This is type must be string. As well as I will create another entity called model. That model has three attributes. One is ID, another one is name, another one is and ID. So right. So now I create a category for the brand. First of all, I create one. So I include that class library. Right. So first of all, what I want to do is we include our Dapper extension, and as well as system.data.sql client, as well as using system.data